Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and analyze the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels. When we look at the events plan for today is Thursday, September 8th. At 8:35 AM we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 5:45 PM we have high impact news planned for euro related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs at 6 PM. Then at 6:15 PM we have high impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs, and at 4:40 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. So when we look at the gold price action from the weekly time frame, we already know that it has made a double bottom pattern and also it has retraced to the place where it started its bullish side retracement, and currently it is taking support on the previous support level of 1680. And when we look at the price action in the daily time frame, we already know that the price action was in a very nice bearish trend, and currently it has taken support at the support level of 1690, and we are noticing the price action to move on a sideways direction. I have drawn one more support line or the resistance line over here. The price action had momentarily broken this resistance line, but when we look at today's candle, it is not continuing its bullish trend. It is again trying to fall on the bearish side retracement. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, the maximum level it has gone on the bullish side retracement was 1727 and lower level was 1690, and current price action is trading between this resistance level of 1727 and support level of 1690 on a sideways price action. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1727 we can expect a continuation of the bullish side retracements, and only when the price action breaks this previous support level of 1680 we can expect a bearish side trend to continue in daily time frame. For now the trend is on the sideways price action. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1680, we can expect a very steep fall from this level because it will be breaking a long-term support. Let us do the price action analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, after testing this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side, and it has taken support on the support level of 1689. Currently we are noticing the price action in 4 hours time frame also to be trading on the sideways momentum. I am drawing a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action from the level where it took the bearish side trend reversal. So currently the price action has taken resistance on this resistance line, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So in 4 hours time frame, if you want to take trades on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1726 in order to confidently go on a bullish side trade, because it will be breaking the blue color trend line from the 4 hours time frame. And also when we look at the price action pattern formation, it is trying to form a double bottom pattern, in which case it will be breaking the neck level of the double bottom pattern. So we can expect the next target to be 1741. And if the price action continues its bearish side retracement, we can expect it to take support on the daily time frame support level of 1689. It will be the continuation of the consolidation in 4 hours time frame also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, currently we are noticing it to bounce back from this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame on the bearish side retracement. So the overall price action in hourly time frame is also under a consolidation or moving on a sideways price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. And the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for daily time frame, which is the higher time frame. So wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this green color support line from the daily time frame bearish channel pattern in order to take trades on the bearish side. When we closely look at the chart formation also, it has formed similar to an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and currently it has retraced or tested this resistance line. So we can expect a retracement to start from this resistance level of 1718. And the confirmation of the bearish side trend reversal will come once the price action breaks this green color support line from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side, and currently it has taken resistance on the 4 hours time frame resistance line, and we are noticing it to bounce back from this resistance line. Wait for the price action to break this support line from the daily time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. Because the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. It is sort of consolidating within this resistance and higher time frame support levels. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. I have drawn a channel pattern for the 30 minutes time frame where we have noticed a price action to be trading within this bullish channel pattern. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement, and wait for the price action to bounce back from this support line in order to continue trading on the bullish side trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame also we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side, but it is finding resistance on the 4 hours time frame resistance line. So wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this support line from the daily time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. For now, the price action in 15 minutes time frame is under a sideways price action or consolidating within this support line and the resistance line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.